now I'll show you how to use the dispenser process. I have first switched to chilled water. I'll show you how to. You can see there are two different output supplies over here. You can see one is for water and one is for ice or crushed ice. The crushed ice is not actually what you think, but crushed ice is something which I'll show you right now. And I'll show you cubed ice. Ice is, you require some hours to set your ice. It's different refrigerator. Sound is normal. So this way your ice is cubed ice. Now I'm going to show you some crushed ice. Without a bowl, if you use this dispenser, it is really going to create a mess. See, ice cube is just cut down into pieces. It doesn't mean that you're getting a nice grated kind of ice texture. So this is the use of the dispenser. That's it. Thank you guys. And next video will be about the storage. Okay, so till then, tada.